Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Warzone 2.0 searching for a match error. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to go to support.activision.com and then select Warzone here, and then you need to look if there is a server issue here. So as you can see here, for all platforms there is outage here. So basically the problem is on their end, and if you don't find a match, probably it's not your problem if you see this basically button here. And if there is no problems on server, what you need to do here then is to check your internet connection. So go to the speed test or other, just write internet connection test, and then you need to look your internet connection speed. So usually 5 MBC is good. Basically then you can play the game and basically you will find the match. But if you have a bad internet connection, maybe limit some devices or restart your router, right? And if the problem persists, then simply restart your game, and sometimes it fixes the problem. And after that, if the problem persists, if you're playing, for example, on a console like PS4, PS5 or Xbox, you can enable crossplay on the settings, and then you will basically put together with the PC players, and basically it will be more people to basically find a match, right? And if the problem persists, then another thing that you can do basically here, if you're playing on PC and if you're playing on Battle.net, basically you can then say change regions, right? So as you can see here, if I load up Battle.net here and if I go to the games here and if I go to Warzone and press this region button, I can change my region to Asia or America. I live in Europe, or vice versa. But of course, keep in mind that when you change the region, it will be a higher ping, right? And if the problem persists, another thing that you can do here, if you are on PC, you can open up command prompt and then run as administrator, press yes, and then here you need to write here IP config // DNS. And once you get this message, restart your computer, and you need to look if the problem persists. And if the problem persists, then on your system tray, find a network basically icon here, right click on it, go to network and internet settings, and then go to advanced network settings, more adapter option, and then disable your internet for a few seconds here from 5 to 10, and then enable again. And after that, you need to go to properties and then make sure that Internet Protocol version 6 is disabled, and then double click on Internet Protocol version 4, and then select use the following DNS server addresses, and on preferred DNS server you just need to write 8.8.8.8, and on alternate DNS server you just need to write 8.8.4.4, press apply OK, and the problem should be fixed if the problem is not basically Activision servers, right? So that's pretty much it, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.